If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do, tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light, just give me the green light. If you want me to get close to you.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on any of my eyeshadow tutorials, my giveaway videos, or my Dallas vlogs. So today's look was inspired by all these Instagram looks I've seen over the past few weeks. I think Kylie Jenner was the first one to post a photo of her with the pop of color right in the corners and a neutral eye. So that's what I decided to do, and I added my own little twist to it with a little eyeliner. And that sound country though. What can I say? I am country. Well, I added my little pop to it with some eyeliner, and also of course my 3D Mink Lashes. Today we're going to be using those Olivia lashes. If you'd like to get yours, you can get yours at srbeauty.shop. And let's get on to the eyeshadow tutorial.
If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do, tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light, just give me the green light. If you want me to get close to you, just tell me what to do, tell me what to do. If you want me to take over, just give me the green light, just give me a sign, just give me the green light.
If you want me to get close to you, just tell me